Hello, friend, and welcome to the low bounce 7-minute workout. We're just going to get warm and we're going to get loose as we're just going back and forth, keeping our feet pushing into the mat, into the trampoline. We are just finding our rhythm, finding a pace that works for you, works for your body, engaging your legs, engaging your core. And of course, I love to move my arms. I talk with my hands and I move with my hands. Low bounce resistance is what this workout is all about. And so you see, I am never coming off of the trampoline. And neither do you need to get the workout. You can engage your muscles. You're going to feel this in your legs, in your thighs as you're moving. So here we are. We're just going to go back and forth, side to side. You're going to feel these muscles activating, and we never bounce off of the trampoline. We're bouncing into the trampoline, pushing, pushing, pushing downward motions. So just engage your legs. And I'm kind of got a little bit of an edge here as I'm squatting into my very first squat. We've got a squat coming up throughout our workout, so prepare. Here comes squat number 2. You've got it. Moving in, keeping pace. Once again, I'm moving my arms. This is my jogger's pose. Feet. Now breathe into your third squat. You're doing fantastic. Get ready. Here comes squat number 4. That's a big part of finding your balance and finding a pace that lets you hold the rhythm as you're working. And moving into squat number 5. Easy, gentle pacing, pushing into the rebounder. Stimulating those muscles, activating your stabilizers. All of it is happening. Keep your breathing. Squat, squat, squat. Number 6. We're doing this, just a quick shakeout of your legs. Move at your own pace, always watching and monitoring your body, and now we're going to move into side to sides. So where you're seeing my foot come up, it's just holding pace, holding my balance as I work one side and then switch and work the other. But the foot that's working is the foot that pushes into the trampoline 2 times. So 2 times to the right, 2 times to the left, back and forth, back and forth. That rhythm, I like the rhythm and the pace of it. It's easy for me to keep my coordination and keep moving as we're doing it. And of course, I've got my arms going on. I think I like my arms so much too because it helps me not to think so much about what I'm doing with my legs as they're so engaged. Now they're not hurting, but it's a workout. So I like to take my mind off it a little bit. All right, let's get ready and go into squat number 7. Fantastic. Breathe, breathe, breathe. I'm an animated breather as well. I learned that in yoga. Like you breathe into it and it's audible, it's active. Squat number 8. You've got this. Little jogging arms, bouncing in, double-footed, push into squat number 9. You've got it. Jogger's pose. I like that I'm jogging, but it's easy on my joints as I'm pushing into the trampoline. And number 10, yes, we got this going on. Okay, we are getting close. We've made it past the halfway point. Squat number 11. Are you feeling this in your tush? Are you feeling this in your thighs? Where do you feel your squat? I'm doing these deep-seated squats as I push down into the rebounder. Now, side to side again, 2 on each side, and that is the foot that's activated and pushes into the trampoline. Back and forth, feeling the vibe, finding the rhythm, keeping pace. Have you tried working outside? I enjoy it. This is my go-to spot, as you've seen in my other videos. I like this spot. And I hope that you're enjoying the setting of looking at the pond. I love it. It's peaceful, it's calm, it's relaxing, and that's what I want for my workouts. So adjust your legs, and we're gonna go into side to side, the jogging movements. You can see I've got a deeper bend now. alternating one leg and then the other, still keeping my feet as I'm pushing down the whole foot into the rebounder. I'm just jogging side to side, moving my arms, swinging my hips a little bit here, pushing back a little bit so that I'm feeling it into my butt muscles. I don't know if there's a more proper name to call that, but you get it. Just getting my hips activated, feeling the whole body activate. You can see this. This is the whole body is fully activated, especially if you're holding into your core muscles as well. And so now I kind of just be fun and just a little bit more swing, a little bit more engagement into the moves. You've got it. You're moving at your own pace. You're listening to your body, what it needs. If you need more fun, give it more fun. You got to activate these muscles. We're activating and we're loving our body at the same time. We're asking for more from it to get the results that we're seeking, but at the same time, we're taking care of it and we're moving gently. This is a energizing workout that is low impact because it's the low bounce workout. We've never had our feet jumping off of the trampoline. Isn't that amazing? And we're so close to being done. We're in our final minute here, wrapping up. We're doing a little bit of side to side tucks. Get those love handles activated. You're feeling it out. And we've got one more squat getting ready to come up. And I'm going to hold this one for longer as we get ready to wrap up our final 30 seconds. So be preparing yourself, feeling in, getting a nice, good, deep breath, getting energized. You've got a good pace going on. And now let's do our final squat. You've done a dozen squats in this workout. Feel it, hold it. Oh yeah. And release. Almost done. You're doing an amazing job. And we're going to wrap this up, a 7-minute low bounce, low impact workout here on the rebounder, and our feet never left the mat. I love it. You did it. 7 minutes done. Congratulations, friend.